Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you some tips to meet new people on Clubhouse. There are a number of ways to discover people in Clubhouse like we're doing usual on other social media messaging app. Before getting started, you can get free tips on how to get more followers on Clubhouse that you can catch up on above video card. Now let's start. Trick number 1 is to allow access your phone book contacts to Clubhouse, as well as link your Twitter and Instagram profile to Clubhouse app. Using this way, you can get some personalized recommendations on your Clubhouse account for people to follow. To allow contact and to contact Clubhouse to Twitter and Instagram, let's see my above video card and descriptions below. The second way is try Clubhouse app search bar. To find and follow new people, click on magnifying glass icon to open the search bar screen and enter the name that you would like to see profile. Suppose you can't find the people that you're navigating, then ask them its Clubhouse username. After that, tap on the follow button to put it into your following list. The trick number 3 is that find people similar to the ones you follow. Open your followers or following list, then open its Clubhouse profile. Then click on the star button next to the follow button so that you can see a section called people to follow. You can swipe to the left side from the right to find new people, as well as tap on see more to see the full list view. Let's check the number 4 trick. You should join room or create room on Clubhouse and find new people. On the above video, you can get a full guide how to creating Clubhouse room. Trick number 5 is to check your upcoming events and show on Clubhouse. On this page, you can find new people on Clubhouse. Last and number 6 way to meet new people on Clubhouse is to participate in Clubhouse clubs. How does it help? So the Clubhouse can help you meet users with shared interest. You can get new people with your similar interests. So this is all about the way to meet new people on Clubhouse social media app. You guys, I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.